Hey guys, guess what I got? I got a camera rig. Can't really see it, it's getting dark out, but it's a filming thing. I'm in the mirror right now. It's a camera stabilizer, it stabilizes your movements, but let's go outside and look at the simplicity. I've been working with the bamboo, pruning it and stuff, and I used a tractor to haul some stuff. Sorry I didn't get it on film. Let's see how the tractor's doing. What the heck? Whoa, who's driving my tractor? My dad's driving my tractor. Driving the simplicity. With no earmuffs. And I'm not wearing earmuffs either. Ah, it's running great. And very quiet too, don't you think? I hope he doesn't speed up the throttle. You want to come along? That's the pruned bamboo. It's looking great. Oh, stop! Press the brake.
Sorry.
That was fun. Well.
Oh shit. No, I didn't mess the steering up, did I?
Well, it steered more. You just saw a crash.